early Sunday morning at the Goon. Been seeing some big ones come out, so. All right, on the boat, heading to the shallows here. The water temp is up a little bit. It's been warm out, luckily, for a couple days now. It's gonna be warm today, and we have some real good weather coming in the middle of April here next week. We're gonna be on the hunt in the shallows to start, at least. Try to catch some big ones roaming, some pre-spawners, some, who knows, maybe even some beds. We'll be looking around, but all right, guys. All right, get the spinner bait out. This little dude. Way up, dude. Way up. Dang, that bass is freaking. Look guys, how deep he is, pale.
Hey big guy, you the bass raider?
What's happening?
Yeah, we follow you.
Oh, right on, dude. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
How's it going so far? I feel like they're just not quite pushed up yet, you know?
I haven't quite moved up yet.
Yeah. But next week looks good, man, with the warm weather.
Good luck out there.
Good luck, man. Thanks. Little dudes hanging out. There, real little. Real little dudes. Real little bass. Super little. Man, they're pale. Wow. Missed the, a little bigger. A little bigger. All right. Another one on the drop shot. Little dudes, super buck. Oh, it's got bit. He nipped at it and then came back. Look, oh, came off. It was better too. It was like 2-pounder. Oh man, he tapped it and then it came back and tapped it. This is a little guy. Get a little mid-morning update. Yeah, so I was throwing moving baits shallow and just couldn't get bit. I've been seeing bass moving around all over the place. A lot more stuff on the graph and live scope, and just keep cast at them with the drop shot now. Something real finessey and slow. I feel like they're pressured. I know there's been a lot of people out here the last few days, but the drop shot's getting them. Almost just kind of throwing out there, dead sticking it. They're coming up and tapping it. And but yeah, so just back to the old drop shot, 6 pound test, and hopefully we can find some bigger ones. Little dudes are out. The Doom Rider 86 bait. There's a nice chunky guy. Let's see here. Just a touch under 3 probably. Two and a half. I'm stuck on 2.5 lately. 2.5 again. That's 3 trips in a row. Nice one though. Just gonna net him because I don't want my drop shot to get messed up. Just a little dude. 2.5 pounder, another 2.5 pounder. Yeah. Oh, just under. Yeah, just to recap that day, you know, it was just nothing shallow chasing. Just wound up searching all around, a little bit deeper water, throwing that drop shot at bass. You know, you see marks going by here and there, just kind of throw out. A little bit of grass left on some of those grass edges too. But yeah, they're hitting that little drop shot. Not the most exciting, you know, it's not power fishing, but it boated the most bass for me all year down here. So, you know, we're gonna keep trying, and hopefully we'll run into some bigger models the next trip or two. I'm sure we will. But that's the recap. Yeah, just the drop shot for the win today. Light line too, even though it's dirty water. A little brighter worm. But all right, thanks guys. See you on the next one.